Now let's turn back time. Hit it. Me. We're gonna start this off just by rocking side to side. Here we go.
If I could turn back time, if I could find a way, I'd take back those words that hurt you.
Hold it here. Walk front towards me.
I don't know why.
Dramatic. Look towards the camera. Brush your hand.
I don't know why I said the things I said.
Take it back. Reach
Like a knife
through your TV screen. Arm goes.
Words are like weapons, they wound
Same
sometimes.
arm, just bigger. Around.
I didn't
Switch
really mean
arms.
to hurt you.
I didn't mean to hurt you.
I didn't want to see you go. I know I made you cry, but baby,
Turn to the right.
turn back time.
And run it back.
If I could find a way,
Reach right arm.
back those words
To the top.
that hurt you.
Present
And
towards
you
me.
would stay. If I could reach the stars, I'd give them all to you.
Reach right
And
arm.
love me like you used to do.
Hold.
If I could turn
Big bending.
back time, my world was shattered, I was torn apart.
Swing your
Like someone took
arm.
a knife and drove it deep in my heart. You walked out that door, swore that I didn't care.
Back.
But I lost everything, darling, then and there.
Around. Drum.
Too strong to tell you I was sorry.
Every time you strum, you go 10 years backwards.
Darling, if I could turn back time, if I could find a way,
I see those wrinkles disappearing. Turn it back again. This is a key change. You better go even harder.
I'd give them all to you, and you'd love me like you used to do.
Hit this last note hard.
Oh, if I could turn back time.
You're 18 again. If you want to be featured on my Instagram, all you have to do is record a video of yourself doing this dance, post it on Instagram using hashtag #BestOfBooties, and you'll be featured on Monday's compilation video edited by Miss Haley Jordan. Before you go, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and click that notification bell so you never miss a dance video.
If I could turn back time, if I could